Are you tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies in your car? Say goodbye to conventional cleaning methods and embrace the future of car cleaning with Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. This innovative product is the ultimate solution to keep your car spotless, and it comes packed with a range of impressive features that will make your car cleaning experience a breeze. Perfect Car Slime. The Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel is designed to be the perfect car slime. Its soft and flexible texture allows it to seep into even the tiniest gaps and corners of your vehicle, grabbing onto dirt, dust, and debris, leaving no trace behind. Say goodbye to those stubborn crumbs, dust, and pet hair that seem impossible to reach. Easy to use, cleaning your car has never been easier. Simply press the Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel onto any surface you want to clean, such as vents, cup holders, consoles, and more. The gel will conform to the shape of the area, absorbing all the dirt and grime. When you're done, just lift it away, and you'll be amazed at how clean and fresh your car looks. Reusable. One of the best things about the Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel is that it's reusable. After each use, store it in its container, and it will be ready to tackle your car's cleaning needs time and time again. High-tech cleaning material. The Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel is made from a high-tech cleaning material that is safe and gentle on all surfaces. Rest assured that it won't leave any residue or damage your car's interior. It's the perfect cleaning tool for your beloved vehicle. Multiple uses. While it excels at cleaning car interiors, the Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel is versatile and can be used in various other settings. You can use it to clean your computer keyboard, home appliances, office equipment, and more. Don't settle for less when it comes to keeping your car clean and tidy. Embrace the convenience and efficiency of the Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel, the perfect car slime that will revolutionize your car cleaning routine. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cleaning methods and welcome this high-tech, reusable, and multi-purpose cleaning material into your life.